welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Our project title is Event Travel Management using Google API. Our project abstract is traveling to the different time zones can distribute the one daily routine and can confusing in the managing the time and sensitive task. This abstract introduces an Android application designed to help travelers calculate and set alarm based on their current and destination time zone, allowing them to effortlessly adapt to the new schedule. The event travel management using Google API apps seems to simplify the process of adjusting alarms by automatically determining the user's current time zone and their destination time zone. Users input their itinerary and the app calculates and the time difference between the two locations. The app then recommends suitable alarm time based on the user preference and requirements, taking into the account factor like flight duration and any unnecessary rest period. Users can register or log into the app, then go to the access the current location using allow the from user side, so that only accessing the current location and mark the where you want to go the location, then using the marker icon, then calculate the distance and time. Then after you mark it the mark location, press, then press the go button, alert button, then automatically go to the alert page with the how many kilometers and the how much time to reach, then all the setting in the alarm page, then enter the place name and purpose to visit, then set when you want to go using the time picker. Yet when you and then alarm alert you before you are reaching time. Thank you. When the user first time open the app, the access dialog is open for allowing the using you to access the device location for the current location, and then click the allow only using this app. Then is register and login. Then register record hash name mobile number Prahash 123456. Then register successfully. Then we'll go to the login page. Prahash Prahash at gmail.com. Password is 123456. 123456. Then login. Then after login, the users go to the click this icon to go for the current locations. Then where you want to go. Example, I go for hotel safaris means I click hotel safaris and choose walking or car or bike. I choose walking. Then calculate the distance. It's go to for the other page. The kilometer is 1.1 kilometer and reaching time is 13 minutes. Then place name safaris, purpose eating lunch. Time when the time, example 11 o'clock, I go for 12 o'clock p.m. Then okay, then enter the submit button, then wait for success, and your alarm set for 11:47. I so I will need to check. We need to check. So I change the time. 10:24. Then now 13 minutes plus 13 minutes means 34, 37. I alert as 38. 38 and press submit button, and alarm are 10:26. Then alarm for 10:25. I set the alarm for 10:25. Timing is 10:45. See here, our alarm server is waiting for lunch here. See, okay. Thank you. That's all.